Ever seen eggs cooked this way before? This method is a total game changer for your breakfast routine. Today we're making baked eggs with a super unique twist. We'll keep the shell intact to use as a natural baking mold. Trust me, the result is absolutely beautiful and delicious. Let's get started with the first step. First, prepare a large bowl of water. Add a tablespoon of salt. We need to make sure the outer shell is completely cleaned. This is important because we'll use the shell to cook. Rinse thoroughly under running water. Dry with a clean cloth and set aside. Now, carefully hold an egg in your hand. We'll gently tap the small end of the eggshell with a spoon. Remove the small piece to make a hole. Take care not to break the remaining shell. Flip the egg upside down into a clean bowl. Gently shake to let the egg white and yolk flow out. Make sure you remove everything from the shell. We'll have an empty, neat eggshell. Do the same with all the eggs you're going to bake. Set the empty eggshells aside for later use. Where are you watching this video from? Please comment below and let me know. It's so great to know that we have viewers all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, you can subscribe by hitting the subscribe button. It means a lot to see your support. Now let's get a bowl of fresh eggs. Add a little sugar. Add a pinch of salt to enhance the flavor. A dash of ground pepper for a slight kick of heat. Beat until the yolk and white are fully combined. We want a smooth liquid mixture with an even golden color. This will ensure an even texture when baked. Now it's time to season this wonderful mixture. Next, we strain the eggs through a sieve to ensure they're smooth and don't separate. To keep the eggshells upright, we need a special base. Take a baking tray, then crumple the aluminum foil into a base and place the egg on top. We'll use this to keep the eggshells in place. This helps prevent them from tipping over in the oven. Carefully pour the seasoned egg mixture into each shell. Use a small spoon or a measuring cup with a spout. Pour almost to the top of the shell. Leave a small space at the top to prevent spilling over. Try to pour evenly so the eggs cook evenly. Look at how they stand in the salt layer, truly perfect. Now, gently place the baking tray into the oven. We'll bake at a moderate temperature. Set the oven to around 150 degrees Celsius to 160 degrees Celsius. This temperature allows the eggs to cook slowly and evenly. Bake for about 15 to 20 minutes. Watch so they don't overcook. Our eggs are definitely perfectly cooked. Carefully take the hot tray out of the oven. The eggs will puff up a bit and set. They will look firm with a light yellow color on the surface. Be careful. The tray and the eggshell are very hot. Let them cool for a minute. Now let's make a super delicious dipping sauce. This dipping sauce is the perfect companion for grilled eggs. Add 1 chili to the mortar, 3 tablespoons of salt, 1 teaspoon of MSG, 1 teaspoon of pepper, and a little condensed milk. Finally, add some lime juice. We'll build the flavor from here. We'll grind it into a paste and pour it into a bowl. Now let's take the plate and arrange a layer of fresh coriander. This fragrant herb isn't just for decoration. Its distinctive spicy aroma pairs perfectly with the rich, creamy fried eggs. We place the peeled eggs with a golden brown color on top of the fresh coriander layer. Alongside the eggs, we add a small bowl of special spicy and sour dipping sauce. The combination of warm, soft eggs and fresh, crisp coriander is truly wonderful. Finally, everything looks really appealing and eye-catching on the plate. Now we're ready to enjoy this wonderful dish. Now let's take a fried egg. Gently peel the shell to reveal the soft, creamy yolk. The egg is perfectly cooked with a smooth, even texture. Dip a piece generously into the rich, flavorful sauce. Then add a few fresh coriander leaves on top before taking a bite. The creamy richness of the egg is perfectly balanced by the tangy, spicy sauce. Paired with the crisp herbs, each bite truly bursts with flavor. It's really delicious and satisfying. That's it for this video. If you have any comments or thoughts, please leave them below. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give it a like. And remember to share this video with your friends and family. Be sure to subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for your support. Goodbye, and I'll see you in the next video.